The Samsung RS70F65QEF side-by-side refrigerator is designed for large families seeking both advanced technology and massive volume, standing out as one of the most impressive members of Samsung's refrigeration lineup. Viewed through an expert lens, this device goes beyond simple cooling, optimizing kitchen life with smart technologies. The most striking feature of this refrigerator is undoubtedly its massive 655-liter net internal volume. This capacity is made possible by Samsung's patented SpaceMax technology. SpaceMax uses high-efficiency insulation material to make the refrigerator walls thinner. This maximizes the internal usable space without increasing external dimensions. With 418 liters for the fridge and 237 liters for the freezer, you can comfortably fit weekly or even monthly grocery hauls. Its dark inox finish and recessed handles present a minimalist and modern aesthetic, while the fingerprint-resistant surface makes cleaning effortless. Unlike ordinary refrigerators, the RS70F65QEF features the all-around cooling system. This system distributes cold air evenly through strategic vents placed at every shelf level. An item placed in the corner remains at the same temperature as one in the center. Additionally, it features power cool and power freeze functions, which are lifesavers in urgent situations. With the touch of a button, you can chill drinks for guests in minutes or accelerate the freezing process to lock in the nutritional value of your food. At the heart of the device lies the digital inverter compressor, backed by a 20-year warranty. However, what truly sets this model apart from competitors is the AI energy mode. Activated via the SmartThings app, this mode optimizes compressor speed and defrost cycles based on your usage habits. It learns how frequently you open the door and can reduce energy consumption by up to 10%. Although it is in Energy Class E, this smart management allows for sustainable usage with an annual consumption of around 351 kilowatt-hours. User experience is at the forefront of the interior design. The Big Veg Box provides ample space to easily store bulky items like whole melons or watermelons. The Twist Ice Maker in the freezer section makes producing and storing ice extremely practical. Simply twist, and your ice cubes fall into the bin. Multiple door bins and widely spaced tempered glass shelves in both the fridge and freezer sections allow you to keep everything from pots to tall bottles organized. Furthermore, thanks to built-in Wi-Fi, you can receive notifications on your phone if the door is left open or monitor energy consumption in real time. In summary, the RS70F65QEF is not just a home appliance. It is a massive storage solution that manages food freshness with artificial intelligence and adds prestige to your kitchen.